Hello! In this video, we're going to learn how to set up a service charge for appointment or service. We'll begin by navigating to the Business Info tab. Then, we'll proceed to click on Set Fees and select the Add New button. The first step involves selecting the country, for which we will choose the United States of America. In the next field, we'll specify the city as New York City. The business type should be set to Appointment, as our goal is to establish a fee for appointment-based services. We'll then need to select the specific service type that the fee will apply to. For our purposes, it will be a doctor appointment. It's crucial to pay attention to the business toggle. When the toggle is off, the service, for our example, a doctor's business, will not be active in New York City. We want to ensure the toggle is on to keep the business operational. As for the admin profit mode on delivery, we can choose either an absolute value or a percentage. By choosing absolute and entering 20, the admin will earn a fixed amount of $20 for each appointment. Conversely, if we opt for percentage and set it to 20%, the admin will receive a fifth of the total delivery charges for the appointment. Continuing to the admin profit mode on orders, we are again presented with the options of percentage and absolute. We will select percentage and enter 20% in this instance. Lastly, we have the cancellation charge setting. If the respective toggle is turned off, no cancellation charges will be applied, allowing users to cancel an appointment without any financial penalty. We will activate the toggle to turn on the cancellation charges. The cancellation charge will now be applied to the user. Then, we must select the type of cancellation charge from options such as percentage and absolute. We will choose the percentage option and set the charge at 20%. Next, we need to define the status at which the cancellation charge will be applied. We must select a starting status and an ending status where the charge will apply, with options such as accepted, coming, or arrived. We will set accepted as the starting status and started as the end status for the cancellation charge. As a result, a 20% cancellation fee will be charged on the entire order amount to the user. Moving on to the distance calculation, we will employ the circular area method. By enabling the toggle, we will enter the circular radius by clicking the Add button. We will add a radius of 0 to 2 kilometers, setting the price at $10. After entering the details, we will click Submit. If we need to add an additional distance charge, for example, if the distance is 3 kilometers, the charge will be $30. This is calculated by adding $10 for up to 2 kilometers, plus an additional $20 for the range of 2.1 to 5 kilometers. Should this system not meet our needs, we can disable the toggle and manually enter the pricing. To do this, we will first set the distance for the base price, which will cover up to 5 kilometers, with the base price at $20. For a distance of 5 kilometers, the user will be charged $20. If the distance exceeds 5 kilometers, an additional $3 will be charged for every extra kilometer. Next, we will discuss the price per unit time. Here, we input 3. For instance, if the delivery takes 15 minutes, the time charge would be $3 multiplied by 15, resulting in a charge of $45. Now, regarding the delivery tax, we can select any tax rate. For example, I will choose 5%, meaning the user will have to pay a tax amounting to 5% of the total price. Lastly, we address the minimum fare. We can set a minimum fare, let's say, $50. Therefore, if the calculation of the distance price and the unit price totals is less than $50, the user will be charged a flat rate of $50 as the delivery fee. After all details are entered, we click on the Save button to save our service settings. We can then see that the appointment fee has been added to the delivery fee section, where we can edit any detail and click Save to update the information. In a similar way, we can add the service price for any service type, so this is how we can set fees for any service or appointment in our system. We hope you've understood the entire process from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate your time and value your engagement. Thank you once again for your attention.